Hello, today I'll show you how to organize channels on LG TVs. I'll demo this on LG C5 OLED, but menus and settings are the same on other models as well, so these tips apply to different screen sizes and different models in LG's lineup. So first, currently I'm showing live TV from one of the channels. If I press OK button on the remote, you will see this banner with different options. You see 3 dots, then this main one with channel name, and below there is a guide. So if I press OK, you will see information about the channel, resolution, does it contain teletext and HBB TV options. And then if I press arrow right, you will see what's the next program on this channel. Now if I go back and press OK again, now we see these 3 dots activated. If I click on it, I will see this More Actions side menu where you have numbers, because LG's Magic Remote doesn't have numerical buttons on it, so you need to, if you want to jump to specific channel, you need to press those numbers here. Then those colored buttons are also on the screen, and if you connect USB memory, you can also record and pause live playback, as well as look at recordings you created before. We also have TV scheduler, program list, guide, and then additional TV functions. For those interested in teletext, teletext option is right here under additional functions, and then you also have teletext option for different ways teletext can be presented. And then there is audio language and change banner location. You can choose where you want this info banner to appear. Let's keep it at the default position for now. And then third option was guide. There is a dedicated button on Magic Remote for it, but you can also open it right here. And here you will see all the channels and the schedule. So you can click on any of those programs, and then you can set a reminder or you can schedule a recording. Now I'll go back and quickly show you. On top you have numbers 1, 2, 3, so you can jump to a specific channel like this. And if you click on 3 dots, you will have Program Manager, Program Row. So here, if you want to see more channels, you just click on more or less. This is the default option right here. Then there are different filters, so you can filter the channels which are shown by program mode and program group. And I'll show you why program group is very important very soon. Mini TV, if you want channel preview right here, or if you disable it, then it won't be on the screen, but in the background you will see the channel where you're currently at. And then there is user guide to find out more information about options. For this video, how to organize channels, you need to use Program Manager. So you see, you can access it right here from the guide window, or other option is through the home menu. So I'll press home menu and then go to the settings button. You see it top left. And then here you need to click on this icon, same icon on the top. And here in the settings menu, go to General. And let's find Programs. Click on it. And here you will see Program Tuning and Settings and Program Manager. Let's open Program Manager. Let's see which options it offers. You see on the left side of the screen, Edit all programs, edit favorites, and then advanced settings are related to satellite channels. If you're receiving those and viewing those, you can log them or unlock them and skip and restore them from this menu. So now let's go to edit all programs. Let's see which options we have here. You will see all the programs that were scanned right here. And what you can do, if you go to the right, you have options to lock or unlock them, to skip or restore them, to move them, or to edit program number. So let's say that this channel right here, you wanted a different number, you would select it. So you need to see this green tick next to it. And then you click on edit program number and put it, you need to delete this one and let's put it on program number 5. Submit, and you see that program which I selected is now on position number 5. Alright, so you don't see option to delete the channel, you can just reorder them right from this menu. So we need to go back and we need to focus on this edit favorites, because through favorite groups you can actually pick the channels you want to watch and you can basically ignore all the channels you don't want to see. And if we go here, so from the first row you can filter channels from antenna, from cable, or from satellites. Here you see all of them. You can select all of them with this option right here. And then very important, you have different favorite groups. So we need to move with arrows, arrow buttons on the remote until you come to favorite one. Click on it and you will see that actually there is not one favorite group, but 8 favorite groups in total. But probably you will need only one. So I'll use favorite one and I'll pick several channels I want to watch. So for example, I'll pick these channels. So you see on top it says I have 8 channels selected. So I will add them to the favorite list. And you see they are here and all of them have this star icon. And then you see that you have additional options here. You can move the channel, you can change group name, and you can sort by program. So some options are available, as you can see. Now if we exit this menu and see what do we have here. So now as I'm scrolling, I see still all the channels which were scanned, 78 channels in total. So now I somehow need to tell the TV only to focus on favorite one group. So I'll press OK button and I will click on these 3 dots. Let's see if that's the correct way. And from this menu, I'll open program list. All right. So you see all the channels right here, but I need to go to the top somehow to jump to this. I want to come to these 3 dots at the top. So like this, yes. And now I need to choose program mode can remain antenna, but program group needs to be set to favorite one. Programs will switch according to the order they appear in this list. When I click on done, you see that now I see only those 8 channels. And yeah, they are working and appearing with no issue. So now if I go like this, quickly browse the channels, you see only those that were selected appear on the screen. And then even if I turn off the TV and wait for a couple of seconds and then power it again, and go to live TV, and if I scroll, you see, yeah, only those channels that were selected are on the list. So instead of those 78 channels, I only have 8 channels right here. And a little bonus tip, if you want that live TV appears as soon as you turn on the TV, you don't want to see home menu, then we need to go to the settings menu to do this. So again, from home menu, let's go to settings, all settings, and here under general, let me see if I remember this option. It should be, I believe, under system, additional settings, home settings. And here you see power on screen. So instead of home, which is the screen you see at the moment, you need to select recent input. And you can disable these two options as well to avoid distractions. So that's one tip. And then additional one, once you have channels arranged in the way you like, you can jump to programs, and here you have option to copy programs. So you can copy them to USB storage, and then you can restore it also from the USB to the TV with this option right here. But USB storage needs to be connected to the TV. Right now I don't have any connected, so options are disabled. And that's it. In this video you saw which options are available when watching live TV and how to organize channels to your preferences. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments if there is something more you would like to see, and I'll do my best to answer you or make a new video to help you out. Have a nice day. Bye bye.